Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mo and welcome to a new video. So guys, in today's video I will be unboxing my free breast pump. I got it to my insurance. I did pay a little bit because I wanted the one that I chose. I had to pay I think $24 extra. They had some completely free ones on there, but I think I bought like I picked like one with a cooler or something, and that was $24. And I did buy a bra where you could just where it's hands free. You could pump hands free. So, all right. So this is how the box came, and I've never my last daughter, I did have a breast pump for her, and I think I had bought it cash. I didn't get I didn't know they used to give free. So I got the Medela breast I think this is what I paid for. The breast pump cooler set. It's a perfect for transport to work and daycare. Extra breast milk storage bottles fit inside Medela free style and pump InStyle breast bag. So I'm going to open this. Okay, so this is what I paid $24 extra for. And then the hands-free breasts, the hands-free bra, breast pump bra was $29.99. They had another one on there for a backpack. Now I wish I had bought the backpack because I don't need all these extra bottles. But I guess like when I'm going out, instead of putting the breast milk in the little pouches, I could just put them in here or whatever the case is. All right, so it comes with 4 bottles, and you put this in the freezer for it to get. And these are 5-ounce bottles, so not bad, not bad at all. And then okay. And here is the breast pump. Is the Medela Pump InStyle Double Electric Breast Pump Extractor de la Leche Never mind. Never mind. I can't even say certain words properly in English because of my accent, and then I'm trying to speak Spanish on camera. Okay. For some reason, it's really hot, but I'm always hot now, so that's the problem. All right, guys. I think my last breast pump too was I can't remember. I think it wasn't Medela. It was a cheaper brand because I know I didn't spend a lot of money on it, but it was really good. I didn't realize how small this is, but I like. All right, so this is the base, I guess. Listen, I don't know how to use this. I don't know. I never used this before, so I'm not sure. And then I'm guessing these are the. Listen, I don't know. I know this goes into that thing. Then it comes with the power cord. And let's see what's in here. Yeah, this is the extra power cord, I think, for undergo. I'm not, and it has 2 more bottles in here. And I know this has, oh, and then you put the bottle on, or the, I do have, oh, okay. Yes, okay. It's pretty easy to figure out. Like, I've never had one of these. I've never used one of these. But it's pretty much easy to figure out and simple to use. I can't wait to actually use it to see the outcome. But yeah, guys, so that is it basically. My free breast pump from my insurance. And as I said, because I bought the cooler bag, if I had just got this, it would have been like I didn't have to pay any money. Oh, this is the bra, and oh my god, this is the bra, and I paid $29.99 for this. I'm so confused. Okay. So, this is literally just a cover over. So you put it over your, you guys can see. So basically you put it over. If you have on a nursing bra, you just take off your nursing bra, which is what I wear now. I've been wearing nursing bra since I was like a couple weeks because my breast got a little bigger, and I'm like, I'm not buying bigger bra. And then, you know, after I finish breastfeed, I'm going to go back to, you know, to nothing. So I just bought the nursing bras. Yeah, so basically you put this on, and then you take off your strap from your nursing bra and hook it to there. Yeah, so I mean, I think I need a bigger size. I got this in size medium. I should have got a large, but it will work because I could put it in the last one. Yeah, guys, so this is the nursing bra. That now, you know what I'm saying. Yeah, guys, so that's it. I cannot wait to use this. This is interesting. And I think you have to use, this is the, it comes in. Yep, and that is it. Pretty straightforward, pretty simple. It looks very simple to use. I guess when I use it for the first time, I'll do a review on it and see how it goes. But it said it's supposed to be really good. And everybody always say this Medela Spectra is good breast pump. So this is why I chose the Medela as well. They did have the Spectra on there, but yeah, guys. So I don't know why people won't take advantage of this if they have insurance, because these breast pumps are expensive. So to get this breast pump, all I did was go to I think I went to Medela.com, and then I put in all my insurance info. It's very simple. I put in all my insurance information and everything like that, and it's literally sending you a message saying, oh, we're gonna attach you to a carrier, something like that, whatever the case is. And that was it. It was that simple. And then, as I said, you have completely free breast pump on there if you guys don't want to spend any extra money or whatever. And but you got to be careful, because they have on there, even with your insurance, some of them is like $400, and I'm like, okay. But Yeah, guys, so I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and also put on your post notification bell so you can know each time I upload a new video. Until next time, guys, I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.